Dr. August Dunning, and I do these nifty little beach walks talking about dry fasting. And today is day 6. I'm looking at some really nice little waves coming in out there. Anyway, I'm going to sit down because I'm not going to do a beach walk. It's too exhausting. It's enough just walking out here. Anyway, so I'm at day 6. And there's a couple of things you need to realize at this point. You know you've been urinating still, so the water has to come from somewhere. And the water comes from your cells and from the ATP production, where it makes what the Russians like to call living water. It's made inside of you. It's a life process. So at this point, a lot of things have happened inside me. All the parasites are probably gone. Got a lot of these forever chemicals being ground up in the proteasome system. And of course, because I haven't had any sugar, anything that would produce glycogen in my body, all I have is plasma glucose, and cancer cells and that sort of stuff can't live on that. They just die right off. So if there's anything starting in me, it just got killed. I don't even have to know about it. I just know it probably was. Oh, look at those waves out there. Oh, man. Those are sweet. Nice little 3-footers. Anyway, so yeah, today it's just more of the same. I got up in the middle of the night and retched a little bit. That's normal. That emetic effect is due to toxins trying to get out of the body, and that's one of the reasons that you do that. A lot of mucosal draining and so forth coming on. That's again the body trying to clean out the nasal passages and all that stuff. The other thing is, you really need to take seriously not operating heavy equipment. I mean, it's not a big deal, but if you just had everything picked up before you got to this point, you're fine. You got all the things for finishing your dry fast. And my weight has gone from 154.5 to 140 this morning. So that's 14.5 pounds of weight loss. I'm going to say probably 4 to 6 pounds of that is water, and I'll regain that back after the fast, no problem. But what's interesting right now is because dry fasting likes to hit the low-hanging fruit first. And the longer you stay in it, it can climb up in the tree and get the bad stuff. So at this point, I've probably cleaned out everything, cleared out everything, and now what I'm hoping is any visceral fat, because I've used all my subcutaneous white fat. I'm using it up like crazy. And it may just be a way to get rid of visceral fat as well. And I'll know as soon as I'm off, but I'm very trim at this point. And yeah, I'm very scruffy looking. Yeah, that's right. So that's okay. So anyway, this is today. Today I'm just going to walk out here a little bit and walk back in a little bit and take it easy and just enjoy this. I've done something for my body that no one on this planet really does much. A few of you out there have, and I know you know this feeling. You're dying for that drink of your first refrigerated coconut water. I know I am. Anyway, that's it for the day. I remind you that I kind of need your clicks and likes and that kind of stuff because I'm not monetizing these videos. That's why there's no commercials. And I am indebted to you to following this and watching me go into this system and get through it and get out of it eventually in a couple of days here. And I love you for that. That's great. And I've had a lot of comments, and I appreciate your kudos and all that stuff. It's really important to me. I answer all of them, and I read all my emails. And that's about it. Anyway, I'm gonna dream surfing. Maybe even try my new wetsuit out because I'm thin enough to really fit in it well. And I will see you later.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.